Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a monster truck. But let's start by drawing a normal pickup truck. Trucks are a bit like vans, but they have a flat, open part at the back. Let's start by drawing the wheels. Draw one line that goes all the way round to make a circle. Then draw another circle, one line that goes all the way round. Now inside those circles we're going to draw a smaller circle and some dots that go all the way around. These are the bolts that hold the wheel onto the truck. Do the same on the other side. And some dots for the bolts. We don't want the wheels to fall off. And now trucks are often used on rocky land, on farms. They go through mud. They can go onto building sites. They're tough vehicles that need tough wheels. So let's do some lines around the tyre part of your wheel to show that they've got nice sturdy treads. The tread is the bit that grips the land. There we go. All the way round. There. Now we're going to join those wheels together with one line that goes between the two. And on top of that line we're going to draw the cab of the truck. This is where the driver sits. For this we're going to use a square. So starting on one end of that line, draw a line that goes up, across the top and back down to the other side. Now we're going to draw the front part of the truck, where the engine goes. So let's use a lying down rectangle with a curvy corner for this. Draw out a little way, up, over a curvy corner and back to the cab. On the back we're going to do a longer lying down rectangle, but this one will have a sharp corner instead. Now we're going to draw the windscreen. So starting on the top corner of the cab, make a sloping line down to the top of the bonnet, or the hood as it's called, where the engine's kept. We can use a square for the side window. Starting here, draw a line along the bottom of the square, up the side, and along the top to join the front window. Then draw a little lying down rectangle just under the corner of the window for the door handle. You can use standing up rectangles for the light, so let's do one at the front and one at the back. You could leave your truck like this, or you could add a few more details. Some trucks have roll bars or roof racks. Or you could draw a monster truck. They're just the same as these ones, but with enormous wheels and suspension underneath. Let's start again. Draw two wheels, but this time make them bigger. Two smaller circles inside. And lots of dots in a circle for the bolts. You can do the treads on the wheels the same as last time, or to make it look more dramatic, you could do lots of little triangles all the way around the edges. That makes it look super grippy. Monster trucks can be used to drive over slippery surfaces like sandy deserts and frozen glaciers. The wheels are so big that the truck looks like it's floating above them. This time we're going to draw the cab first, in between the two wheels and just above it. 4 lines, all the same length. Then at the bottom of each side of the square we're going to draw a wheel arch. Look like 2 little rainbows sticking out the side. And then on the front we're going to do that line down rectangle with a curvy corner. And on the back we do a longer rectangle with a sharp corner. We do the window on the front and the windscreen slope and the door handle. And then we have to join the wheels to the cab. And to do this, we're going to put in some suspension bars. And they're just lines that start in the middle of the arch and join up to the wheel. And we need some in the middle too, so let's put one here and one here. Monster trucks can also be used for racing. People decorate them with all kinds of crazy designs, turning them into trucks that look like monsters. You can have fun decorating your monster truck. This big monster truck is off to practice racing over some big boulders.